Hi, I'm Jason from Indian Motorcycles of Chicago. Today at the International Motorcycle Show, we're revealing our new motorcycle for 2011. It's the Chief Blackhawk, available in the dark or in the light. It's our 110th anniversary model, 105 cubic inch motor, Baker 6-speed transmission. If you have any other questions, please contact us at Indian Motorcycles of Chicago. Our website is www.indianmotorcyclesofchicago.com.
Hi, my name is Bill Elliott. Today we're talking about what's new in American motorcycling. For Victory motorcycles, new for this year is the Highball. The Highball is a bobber style bike, 8 hangers, glazed wheels with white walls, satin paint, and painted Victory logo. You can check it out at MaximPowersports.com.
Hi, I'm Dave from Conrad's Harley Davidson, and I'd like to show you the new Blackline motorcycle that just was introduced this winter at the Harley Show. A few of the features are the blacked out outer primary gloss, unique handlebars and speedometer styling, very classic, very dark custom look. Check us out at Conrad's Harley Davidson, www.conradshd.com.